Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this video about weekly recap. After a whole week I didn't make any video because very badly sick, so now recovering. Still a little bit side effects of my very severe cold I had, but now getting better every day, so thank God. So now, so let's get started. This video, Friday weekend, today is Saturday, and let's get started. This is the 16th is the 1 week started, right? 16th of September, and this is the very first trade here, pound Aussie, 16th September, from 7-minute chart. And then you can see here USD yen. It is 20-minute chart here, and I think the entry was from 7-minute chart, but I'm just showing here 20-minute. The next one you can see Aussie Newsy, and this is also from 7-minute chart, right, on the 16th. And then on the 17th, the entry was from 16th, but then all the way into the 17th, because these pairs, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound Newsy, they travel big, and if you can hold on to it, if you know what the weekly chart is telling you and how far you have to go, then you can easily catch up 2-day worth of pippage. The daily range, if it's the daily range is 120, and then you make an entry on the 16th, you can hold on to 17 or 18, and every single day it just the pair moves more than 100 pips, so you can cash that out easily. And here on the 18th, Euro-Aussie, same thing. I'll show you why Euro-Aussie, pound Aussie I went long on this, and then again see pound Aussie again on the 19th. One more here on the long side, and let me see if it's still recording here. The sound, let me just check the sound, because sometimes it just goes away, and I'm just telling. Okay, here we go, the sound is still working. And then on the 20th, they see NZD-USD, small trade to the downside, and I forgot to mark all here the things, few things here, right? I made that chart in a hurry, I guess. And also the sickness was just bothering me a lot. Here it is on the 20th, pound yen, excuse me. And there was another USD yen, a couple other trades which are missing here somewhere. Probably forgot to add in this folder. So yeah, some of these trades, maybe send me an 8-9 trades. That's all I had, because of, like I said, the weakness. The sickness that I had, and I was very weak. It was, most of the time, the whole week was just laying down on the bed. Let me show you the reason the pound Aussie and Euro Aussie went up. Was this chart here I made, Aussie index 33-minute chart on the 16th, right, when we started, was starting. So I said if we hold the 40.71 and it drops from here, then pound Aussie and Euro Aussie will go up. So right from here that start to come down, and then so far I close like this, right? So all this, nice, nice and easy. It came down all the way. Aussie dollar was getting weak. So basically what happened, Aussie is on the right hand side on these two pairs, pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, they'll go up, and pair like Aussie yen and Aussie USD, they would be going down. And I just took all, and these are my favorite pairs. So, and I said, well, that's enough is enough, so wasn't in the mood to do a lot of trading, was not active at all. Active, no. Once in a while I would see, and then if I see set up here there, I just take the trade according to my plan, and that's all this week was. So this is it for now, and I'm gonna be making more videos from now on to cover the gap. So let's see which one I'm gonna make after that. This is you can see nice and clean. It's like a butterfly pattern basically, and then it played out very nicely. So yeah, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, everything works if you know what it is. So this is it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later, I guess, right? Okay. How do I close it, man? Stop.